Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome back to Stalking Ecosystems. Today is June 28th, 2026. I'm just going to make a quick indicator. Let me, there we go. Let me do this. I am just working on somewhat of a series where it's just making an indicator, whether it be simple, complex, just doing something, drawing objects, trend lines, anything, nothing, working on methods, just doing some coding with NinjaScript every day. So it's a part of my habit tracking. So I figured why not go ahead and make it available to the rest of you folks. And it should be short enough to where somebody else may pick up on something or see something that they may just try to code along with, and it may give them some benefit. So we're just going to do a simple swing low indicator. So you see these lows here, it says low right there. So we're just going to make that. If we refresh the indicators, it doesn't show up because we don't have anything on the chart. Now, if we go to look at the chart and see what's on here, you have a series of indicators on the chart, but none of which include a swing low indicator. So we're going to come over here. We're going to right click in here, go to new indicator, next, and we'll call this low text. And then we'll just hit a bunch of next. We're not even going to plot anything, so it'll be just really basic. Okay, so, and again, this is an indicator, so it will come under the namespace of NinjaTrader NinjaScript indicators under custom indicator, which is the folder, and then you have your class, which is called your actual indicator name as type indicator, and under class you have the different events that go on. So you have the OnStateChange, we'll minimize that, and then you have the OnBarUpdate. So these are the different events or states that happen. Okay, so in this state, we're just going to say that if we do have a swing low, then we're going to plot a label that says low. Okay, so we're going to use a method to handle that, though. The method will say FindLow, and you end it with a semicolon. We'll come up here, have our method FindLow. Remember, this is case sensitive. We're going to use a curly brackets. We're going to have a it's going to be an int that is the swing low bar, and then swing low bar is going to be equal to swing of 4 dot swing low bar of the bars to go 0, 1 instance, and look back is 0. Now we're going to say if slow bar is greater slow bar is greater than 0, then we're going to plot our, so it will be draw, I think it's draw dot text, and here we get to put in the owner, which is just this, the tag, which we'll call it time of 4 bars ago, since that's the strength of our swing, dot to string, and then the string text will actually just read, we'll just call it swing low, and then bars ago will be not 0 bars ago, we'll make it 4 bars ago because that's the strength of our swing. And then for the Y position, for the vertical position, it will be the low of that 4 bars ago. Finish that with a semicolon, hit verify or compile, and then come back over here and refresh. And actually, we don't even have this on the chart, so this is the name of the indicator. Once again, it's called low text. So we come here, add the chart, we can search for it. Low text will come up right here. Okay, we double clicked, we added that in. We'll move it to the top just because if we're ever working or modifying with the current newly added indicator, we want it to be closer to the top. We hit apply, and then there you go. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the chat, leave them on the side, and then we'll address them on the next go round. But this was just, again, this was just a simple little indicator to draw labels on the chart. I think what we'll look at next time maybe is maybe the color, changing the color on the text, and then we can move on to other stuff as well. All right, but again, as always, folks, code confident, trade calm. I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.